Question number 1. When was Rohit Sharma born? Option A. April 30, 1987. Option B. July 6, 1985. Option C. December 19, 1986. Option D. June 15, 1987. Question number 2. What is the full name of Rohit Sharma? Option A. Rohit Pradeep Sharma. Option B. Rohit Gurunath Sharma. Option C. Rohit Ramesh Sharma. And option D. Rohit Anil Sharma. Question number 3. In which city was Rohit Sharma born? Option A. Nagpur. Option B. Pune. Option C. Mumbai. And option D. Hyderabad. Question number 4. What is the nickname of Rohit Sharma? Option A. Hitman. Option B. Ro. Option C. Shaz. Option D. Boom. Question number 5. What award did Rohit Sharma receive in 2020? Option A. Arjuna Award. Option B. Padma Shri. Option C. Khel Ratna. And option D. Bharat Ratna. Question number 6. What is the batting style of Rohit Sharma? Option A. Left-handed. Option B. Right-handed. Option C. Switch hitter. And option D. Ambidextrous. Question number 7. What is the role of Rohit Sharma in cricket? Option A. All-rounder. Option B. Wicket-keeper. Option C. Batsman. And option D. Spinner. Question number 8. How many centuries has Rohit scored in Test cricket? Option A. 8. Option B. 10. Option C. 12. And option D. 14. Question number 9. Who replaced Rohit as MI captain in IPL 2024? Option A. Hardik Pandya. Option B. Ishan Kishan. Option C. Jasprit Bumrah. Option D. Surya Kumar Yadav. Question number 10. Which team did Rohit Sharma play before joining Mumbai Indians in IPL? Option A. Chennai Super Kings. Option B. Deccan Chargers. Option C. Rajasthan Royals. And option D. Royal Challengers Bangalore. Question number 11. Which format has Rohit Sharma played the most matches in? Option A. T20. Option B. Test. Option C. ODI. And option D. IPL. Question number 12. In which stadium did Rohit score 264 runs? Option A. Eden Gardens. Option B. M. Chinnaswamy. Option C. Narendra Modi Stadium. Option D. MA Chidambaram Stadium.